Morning students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today is June 19, 2020 and the day is Friday. Dear students, in this video we will learn new topic, that is curves and polygons. Firstly, let's start with curve. Curve we have, if we put the sharp tip of pencil on a sheet of paper. Suppose this is a sharp tip of pencil or a pen on a sheet of paper and move from one point to another without lifting the pencil, then the shapes so obtained are called curve. As written here, if you put the sharp tip of pen, pencil, sketch pen on a sheet of paper and move from one point to another without lifting the pencil, pen, then the shape so obtained is called curve. So this is an example of curve. With this you can draw any figure. This is a curve. If I draw like this without lifting a pencil, if I draw this is also an example of curve. If I draw this is also an example of curve. If I draw this without lifting is also an example of curve. This triangle is also a curve. If I draw this is also an example of curve. So simply curve is if you draw any shape but without lifting the pen, pencils, then the shapes so obtained are called curves. So these all are the curves. First, open curve means a curve is said to be open if its ends are not joined. Suppose this is the starting points and this. Now these ends are not joined, so this curve is called open curve. If I draw like this, Z. Now here the end points are not joined. This is also an example of open curve. If I draw like this, here end points are not joined. This is also an example of open curve. Next we have closed curve. Closed curve means a curve is said to be closed if its end points are joined, like this. Here starting and ending points are joined, so this is closed curve. If I draw a circle, this is also an example of closed curve. If I draw like this, here end points are joined, it is also an example of closed curve. So basically open curve is a curve in which the end points are not joined, and closed curve is a curve in which end points are joined. Now next we have simple curve. Next we have simple curve. A curve, simple curve is a curve which does not cross itself at any point. The simple curve is a curve which does not cross itself at any point, like this. Now this is a curve and this curve does not cross at any point. So this is an example of simple curve. If I draw like this. Now this curve is also not crossing at any point. This is also an example of simple curve. But if I draw like this curve, this line segments are crossing each other at so many points. So this is not an example of simple curve. This is not an example of simple curve because simple curve which does not cross itself. If I draw like this, here this is also cross each other, crossing at a point. So this is not an example of simple curve. So simple curve is a curve which does not cross each other at any point. Now next we have polygons. Next we have polygons. Now polygons, here poly means, this poly means many and this guns means side. This poly means many, gun means side. So a polygon is a simple closed curve made up of made up of line segment. So polygon is a simple closed curve, means it is a closed curve, as we done open curve, closed curve, but polygon is a closed curve. But this closed curve is made up of line segment, and line segment we know that in which end points are fixed. So if I draw like this triangle, as this is a closed curve and this curve is made up of line segment, so this is an example of polygon. We can say that triangle is a polygon because triangle is a closed curve and this closed curve is made up of line segment. Now next, if I draw this rectangle, as it is a closed curve, this rectangle is a closed curve and it is made up of entirely line segments, so all the line segments. So this is a polygon A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a polygon, and this polygon is also known as rectangle as it is a shape of rectangle. Now first point, sides. Now let's learn what do you mean by sides. The line segments forming a polygon. As we know, this polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. So the line segments forming a polygon are called its sides. So I will write the line segments forming a polygon are called its sides. Now in this figure we have sides. First side is AB, and as we know that polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segment, and the symbol of line segment is this. So AB is a side. Here BC, this is also a side. Then we have CD. CD is also a side. Then we have DA, and DA is also a side. So in this figure we have 4 sides: AB, BC, CD and DA. Next is adjacent sides. Next is adjacent sides. Whenever the word adjacent will given to you, then you have to write any 2 sides with a common end point. We will write any 2 sides with a common end point. Means 2 sides with a common end point. I have this AB and this BC. AB and BC. Now these 2 sides have common end point, that is B. So these 2 sides have a common end point, that is B. Here adjacent sides are AB and BC. First pair is this, second is BC, CD. Common end point is D. Secondly, we will write BC and CD. Now third is this CD and DA. CD and DA. Common end point is this D. And the fourth one is DA, this DA and AB. DA and AB. So adjacent means any 2 sides with a common end point. The next we have adjacent vertices. Now adjacent also means common. Let's draw the figure again. A, B, C, D. So we have to write adjacent vertices. So adjacent vertices means the end points of the same side of the polygon. So adjacent vertices means the end points of the same side of polygon. So we will take first side AB, and the end points of the sides are here the adjacent vertices. First is A and the second one is B. A and B are adjacent because these are the end points on the same side. AB is the side and these are the end points. So the end points of the same side of the polygon are the adjacent vertices. Next we have BC, and here the adjacent vertices are B and C. So second pair is B and C. Here third is C and D on the same side, that is C and D, and the fourth is D and A, and fourth is D and A. So these are the adjacent vertices. Next we have diagonals. Now diagonals means where the line joining the non-adjacent vertices, as these are the non-adjacent vertices when you join a line. So this line is called a diagonal. So this BD is a diagonal. So I will write the line joining the non-adjacent vertices. So here diagonal is BD, here diagonal is BD, and the second non-adjacent side is this BC. So second diagonal is AC. So this is all with open curve, closed curve, simple closed curve, polygon, then the sides, adjacent side, adjacent vertices, diagonals of the polygon. Let's start our exercise 4.2. First question of the exercise is classify the following curves, as these four curves are given to you, and curves we know that any drawing without lifting a pen or pencil which we drawn are called curves. Now here we have to classify whether it is open or closed. Now here A part, this Z, in this case the end points are not joined, so this is an example of open curve. In B part, here the end points are joined, so it is an example of closed curve. In C part, here the end points are not joined, so it is an example of open curve. And the D part, here triangle is drawn and it is an example of closed curve. So this is your question number 1. You have to classify as open or closed curve. Then next we have second question. Draw rough diagrams to illustrate the following. Open curve. You have to draw any open curve, and you can draw any open curve. This is also an example of open curve. Also an example of open curve as we done in question number 1. Also an example of open curve. Also an example of open curve. So many curves are there. You can draw any open curve. The next we have closed curve. Closed curve, we know that where the end points are joined like this. Circle is an example of closed curve. This is an example of closed curve. This square is an example of closed curve. This triangle is an example of closed curve. So you can draw any open curve, any closed curve. Now next we have question number 3. Draw any polygon. Polygon, we know that polygon is a simple closed curve. It is a simple closed curve. Means it is clear we have to draw a closed curve, but that is made up of entirely line segments. It is made up of entirely line segments. So you can draw any polygon. Here if I am drawing this rectangle, it is a polygon. Okay, I name it A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is a polygon. I will write A, B, C, D is a polygon. This is a polygon, and you have to shade its interior. Interior means inside. This is the interior portion of the polygon you have to shade. So just shade its interior. You just shade the interior part, completely shade with the help of pencil. Completely shade with the help of a pencil. So this is your answer. Firstly, you have to draw any polygon, then shade its interior. So here we drawn a polygon and shade its interior. The next we have question number 4. Consider the following figure and answer the question. This figure is given to you and you have to answer. Is it closed? Is this figure is closed? Yes, this figure is closed. Is it curved? Is it curved? As we know that any drawing without lifting a pencil is curved. So answer is yes. So this is all with question number 4. Then next we have question number 5. Illustrate, if possible, each of the following with rough diagram. Illustrate means you have to draw a diagram if possible. A closed curve, that is not a polygon, means as we know that polygon is a closed curve, but we will not draw any polygon, means that curve is not made up of line segments. So I will draw this circle. This is a closed curve and this is not a polygon because polygon is made up of entirely line segments. So this is A part. Next we have B part, an open curve made up of entirely of line segments, means you have to draw that open curve which is made up of entirely line segments. So I will draw like this. This is an open curve made up of entirely line segments. So next we have C part, a polygon with 2 sides. A polygon with 2 sides, is it possible? No, because if you draw with 2 sides, it is not a polygon, it is an open curve, and we know that polygon is a closed curve. So we will write not possible, because if you draw 2 sides, then it is not a polygon, it is just an open curve. So your answer is not possible, because polygon is a simple closed curve, but this curve is not closed. So this is not possible. Now dear student, your homework is complete exercise 4.2 on notebooks. So you have to complete your exercise on your notebooks. Take care everybody.